With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question says that without actual division, prove that x raised to the power 4 plus 2x raised to the power 3 minus 2x raised to the power 2 plus 2x minus 3 is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x plus 2x minus 3. So we are supposed to prove that this polynomial is divisible by this polynomial, exactly divisible by this polynomial. By saying that exactly divisible by this polynomial, when I say 16 is exactly divisible by 2, what it means that it should give a remainder 0. When I will divide 16 by 2, the remainder should be 0. So first of all, what we are going to do in this question is we are going to factorize this expression, that is x square plus 2x minus 3. So how are we going to factorize it? We are going to take the middle term, split it into two parts such that the product of these two parts is equal to the product of minus 3 and the coefficient of x square, that is 1. Minus 3 multiplied by coefficient of x square is 1 will give us minus 3. So let's split 2 into two parts because it is plus 2. So 3 plus 3 minus 1 will give us 3 minus 1 is 2, and plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 will give us minus 3. So I am going to split the middle term in this manner. That is, I can write 2x as plus x square plus 3 minus 1. 2 can be written as 3 minus 1 x minus 3. On solving it further, we will get x square plus 3x minus 3. Taking x common, we will have x plus 3 inside. Minus 1 common, we will have x plus 3 inside. Now x plus 3 can be taken common, so we will have x plus 3 x minus 1. So these are the two factors, because this can x square plus 2x minus 3 can be written as a product of these two. Then that means x plus 3 and x minus 1 are a factor of this polynomial. Now there is one more concept which we should understand, that if I say 24 is divisible by 8, then that also means that the factors of 8, that is 4 and 2, will also divide 24. So if I am able to prove that 24 is divisible by 4 and 24 is divisible by 2, then it will mean that 24 will be divisible by the product of these two, that is 8. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to prove that x plus 3 and x minus 1 are a factor of this polynomial, which will mean that x square plus 2x minus 3 is also a factor of this polynomial. And we know that when, for example, 4 is a factor of 24, so this means that 24 is exactly divisible by 4. So let's do it. Let's prove that x plus 2 and x minus 1 are a factor of the given polynomial. Let's denote the polynomial by polynomial in x. So now first x plus 3, equate it to 0, find the value of x from here, that is minus 3. Put this value of x in place of x in the polynomial. So p minus 3, find the value of p minus 3. What here we are doing is that if we want to prove that x minus a is a factor of a polynomial in x, then we need to show that pa is equals to 0. What is a? A is x minus a is equals to 0 will give us a. So equate the factor to 0, find the value of x from there, put that value of x in place of x in the polynomial, and if it is coming out to be 0, then x minus a is a factor of polynomial. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to put x is equals to minus 3 in the polynomial, which will give us minus 3 raised to the power 4 plus 2x raised to the power 3 will be minus 3 raised to the power 3 minus 2x square minus 2x square is minus 3 raised to the power 2 plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3. Now on solving it, we will get minus 3 raised to the power 4 will give us 81 plus 2 multiplied by minus 3 raised to the power 3 will give us minus 27, because minus is there and the power is odd. Minus 2 minus 3 raised to the power 2 will give us plus 9, because the power is even, plus 2 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 6 minus 3. Now we will have 81 minus 54 minus 18 minus 6 minus 3. So minus 18 and minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9, and 81 minus 54 is 27. So 27 minus 18 minus 9 is minus 27. So this will get cancelled out and we will have a 0. So this means, because we can say that as p minus 3 is equals to 0, that means that therefore the given polynomial px is divisible by x plus 3, or we can say that x plus 3 is a factor of px. Now let's move further and check for the other factor whether it, so we have x minus 1. Now x minus 1, equate x minus 1 to 0, find the value of x from there, put the value of x in the polynomial in place of x. So find the value of p1 is equals to 1 raised to the power 4 plus 2x raised to the power 3, 1 raised to the power 4 plus 2x raised to the power 3 minus 2x square minus 2x square plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3. 1 raised to the power 4 is 1, plus 2 multiplied by 1 raised to the power 3 will give us 2, minus 2 multiplied by 1 raised to the power 2 is 2, plus 2 minus 3. So minus 3. Now on solving it we will get 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So this will give us a 0. Now we can write that as p1 is equals to 0. So we can write therefore polynomial px is also divisible by x minus 1. So now we have proven that the polynomial is divisible by x minus 1 and polynomial is also divisible by x plus 3. So we can say that hence px is divisible by, because the polynomial is divisible by the factors of this polynomial x square plus 2x minus 3. Therefore the polynomial will also be divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.